Hello everyone, and welcome to today's morning flow. Starting by laying down on the mats, moving into a reclined butterfly pose. The hands can come to the belly or above the head. We'll just stay here for a few moments. Just paying attention to how the body's feeling, how the breath's feeling, finding some stillness before we begin the day, and setting your intention for the day. Slowly pulling the knees in towards the chest, giving yourself a hug. Gently releasing the knees over towards the left side of the body, coming into a gentle twist. Moving the knees back in towards the chest and over the other side of the body. Moving the knees back in towards the chest, placing both feet down onto the ground, keeping the right foot on the mat, lifting the left leg up, coming into a gentle hamstring stretch. The knees stay slightly bent. Moving at your own pace, not forcing anything. Then holding onto the foot, placing the right hand onto the right hip, we'll bring the left leg out towards the left side, releasing through the hips. The knee can stay as bent as you like. Releasing back in towards the chest, gently release the left leg down. Switching sides, coming into that single leg stretch. Keeping hold of the foot, placing the left hand onto the left hip, bringing the right foot out towards the right side of the body. Feeling that space in the hips. Releasing back in towards the chest and slowly down towards the mat. Making your way up, we'll move into a kneeling position. Interlocking the fingers behind the back, stretch up, reach up. We'll hold for a few breaths. releasing the shoulders, the hands, slowly coming onto all fours, moving into a cat-cow vinyasa, inhaling as you move up, and exhale as you move down. Imagining the body like water, just flowing through these two poses. Coming back to neutral, sending the right foot behind you. Option to stay here or reaching the left hand up. Holding for a few breaths, feeling the floor beneath you. And gently release the hand, release the leg. We'll just take a few breaths. And then when you're ready, we'll do the same for the other side, sending the left foot behind you. And again, option to stay here or reach the right hand out in front of you. Gently release, coming back to neutral. And gently breathe. And slowly making your way down onto your belly, coming up onto the forearms into Sphinx pose, keeping the shoulders down, legs engaged and together. And gently release, placing the palms down onto the mat. Take an inhale, exhale, moving up into half cobra or full cobra if it's available. Gently breathe. Taking an inhale, exhale, release down towards the mat. We'll just rest here for a few breaths. Then placing both hands out towards either side of the body, coming onto the left ear, lifting the right leg up, place it on the other side of the left leg, gently twisting the hips. Slowly release. We'll do the same for the other side. Gently release, Placing both hands down onto the mat, lift the body up. Moving into a tabletop position, walking the hands forward into puppy pose, releasing through the chest and shoulders. Slowly bringing the body back up. Moving into thread the needle, sending the left hand underneath the right, and then lifting the right hand, placing it above the head. Gently release, switching sides. Gently release, and then slowly making your way to lie down onto the mat. Hugging the knees in towards the chest. And keeping hold of the right knee, cactusing the left arm and gently releasing the knees over towards the left side of the body. Gently release and switching sides. Bringing the leg back in towards the chest, slowly and calmly finding a final Shavasana, allowing the eyes to close, and expressing some gratitude for showing up today. Feeling a calmness through the entire body. Feeling a sense of openness for the day ahead. And just finding some stillness before we begin the day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so grateful you're here, and I really hope to see you again soon.